if you can tell us a little bit about the beginning of Kejriwal castings.
Well, it actually started in 1950s, around 70 years back, when my father established the first foundry in Belur, Howrah. We have two locations in Howrah and in Durgapur, manufacturing pipes, fittings, and valves
Okay.
made of ductile iron. Earlier, it used to be cast iron, then we gradually shifted to ductile iron.
Okay.
Since we are mainly into pipe fittings and valves, which are mainly used for pipes for this water sector, drainage, sewage pumping stations and all, we are very optimistic. So we are going for 100% capacity expansion, and our fittings plant we are going for 25 to 30% expansion. We deal on a one-to-one basis, and we come with a complete bouquet of services. We provide pipes, fittings, valves, but we provide all the three items, and we are one of the, so I would say, only the manufacturer in India to have all the three.
Praveenji, we have been working closely for many years now, and as I said, we are really happy to have you as our valued customer. आप बताइए how TCS is able to help you in managing your processes, in becoming more productive and more efficient as an organization. Kindly share your thoughts on that, Praveenji.
Previous software which we are using, we are not able to record proper fixed assets. We are not able to calculate the stock properly, and the entire software was not integrated, which we found benefit in this TCS software. Like, we have started recording the fixed asset properly. We have a good detailed discussions, detailed informations for the fixed asset we are using. Coming to the entire software part, such as purchase module, sales modules, HR modules, all these modules are very much integrated with the software, which is helping me to get the decisions in a very easy way. We have data readily available, which is helping us to go ahead with a proper decision on live. Coming to stock valuation, we have the system is giving us an opportunity to have record the machine hours rate, the labor rate, which help us to give a proper stock valuation. So whenever we need, we can go ahead with a proper calculation of stock with a proper decision making.
How was your experience working with TCS iON? What are your experiences, and what did you like most about working with TCS iON?
Transformation from the earlier software to a new software obviously brings a lot of challenges in front. So we have worked hard for like 3 to 4 months for the transition from the previous software to this software. Various reports needs to be generated, various reports needs to be designed. But then it was a fabulous experience. The people all around from your company was very helpful, and they have given us a great boost with great ideas which we are not having in the previous system. So it really helped us to go ahead with a proper implementation, and we can go easily live in 3 months, and that too from like 1st April 2022. It was great.
The way Kejriwal castings is set now, you're going to make a massive impact in the industry. You're growing massively. From the IT perspective, Praveenji, what kind of new initiatives you're planning? How TCS iON can support you? If you can share a few thoughts on that.
Right now, as we are in a verge for our expansion, we believe the datas will be in double in size. We believe the employees will obviously increase to like 20 to 50%. So we believe that going ahead with TCS, TCS will help us to gather all the information at one shot, so that the decision making which we are going to take in this larger expansion area, that will be very helpful to us. Right now, as we are doing for 50,000 metric ton what we are producing right now, once we double the capacity, yes, we'll be able to have a better decision from TCS that we are planning to.
Right.
Going ahead with some modules which is not yet incorporated, maybe incorporated within 2 to 3 months. We believe the information gathering of informations will be very much better.
Okay.
And that was one of the major criteria for choosing TCS actually.
Okay.
So that we know with the company coming from the Tata Group, so they can match our speed, the pace with which we grow. The model will support us and will keep pace with us.
Right.
That was all the reason we chose Tata, and we are happy that we chose TCS.
Thank you so much for that support. Rajiv ji, from from business point of view, are there any new large initiatives?
Yeah,
How do you look at the
we
future?
are looking to for some major expansions in other areas also, for diversification in some other fields. So let's see how it pans out. But we are very hopeful about the future, with the thrust, with the economy booming in India, and the export market also picking up.
Yeah.
We hope to have a very good future.
Thank you very much, Rajiv ji.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen ji.
Thank you.